how to get your G.R.E.Y virtual card so you can make your online transactions like paying for TikTok ad, YouTube ad, and the rest. Now, some of you have been asking me this question: how do I get the G.R.E.Y virtual card to make transactions like you have explained in some of your videos? Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the quick process, beginning with creation of account with G.R.E.Y. To make it very easy for you, I've dropped the link in the description of this video. Okay, just click on it and you will land here. All right, so once you get here, if you already have an account, you can just sign in, but I guess you don't have yet, so you can create an account. You can click here where it says get started, it is free, or here where it says get started is free. The two places will lead you to the same place. Okay, so let's click on, which one do we click on? Okay, let me click on this one here. Now, at the end of this video, towards the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you how I fund my G.R.E.Y virtual card, right? So you'll see how it goes, and important practices you must pay attention to. If you don't, you may regret. So see this video till the end. All right, so it's loading up. By the way, you can do this on mobile. I'm doing this on my system, right? But you can go to your Apple Store, maybe Play Store, or your iOS, okay, iOS store, and download the G.R.E.Y app, right? So you already have seen the logo. Let me show you the G.R.E.Y logo. Okay, see the G.R.E.Y here, right? And their logo, when it was loading, can you see their logo in white here? All right, so let's get to this. So the first thing you see using your laptop or a desktop is this, right? So here I've selected Nigeria. Okay, I'll just hit on continue. In case you are not from Nigeria, just click here, and then maybe you are from Ghana, start with G.H, and you say Ghana, you select it. Okay, but let's still leave it at Nigeria. Okay, then click on continue. Now this will pop up showing your country's flag, right? So this is green, white, green for Nigeria. All right, so it's asking, confirm you have a valid ID for Nigeria. In other words, a valid ID card, identity card for Nigeria. Okay, here it says only documents issued from Nigeria will be accepted for verification. Now here it means things like your voter's card, that's PVC, permanent voter's card, your NIN card, your which other one, driver's license, anything issued by the government, Nigerian government, is what they are saying here. So you confirm. So I will say yes, I have. So proceed with Nigeria. Yes. If not, you can go to the country where you have their ID card. Okay. So sign up with Google, right? Now, what I normally do is to log into my Google account, okay, before doing some of this. But even if you've not logged into your Google account, when you come to this point and click on sign up with Google, it will now direct you on how to log into your Google account. So what you will be putting will be your Google email and password, right? But like I say, what you should have done is probably come to this place and enter Gmail, okay, so that you can log into your Google account first. Okay, so let's be faster because I want to end this as soon as possible. So sign up with Google. So I click here. Now I'll select one of the accounts I've signed in here. Okay, so I'll select this one. Let me use my wife's account so that I can open one for her. So it brings you here. You continue. You say Google will allow G.R.E.Y.co to access this info. So look at the info you access, and of course you click on continue. Okay, so it's loading. Just a moment. All right, so he has signed us in. So here we provide details. Now, what I will advise is to provide the details as you have them on your ID card. Okay, so here I'll type first name, middle name, then surname, then gender. Okay, just fill up this. Then phone number. So we are done with this. Let me enter the referral code quickly here. I think I have it. Yes, I have it. Yeah. Now, this is not compulsory, okay? So just use the link. If you use the link I gave you, then you will not need to bother about referral, okay? Because automatically that one will appear. All right, so continue. So now you can see the account has been created, but one more thing, we need to verify our ID. Can you see here? Begin ID verification, okay? So that's the next thing we'll do, right? Now, much later, we'll come to card. This is where you see card. Can you see? Card, okay? So when you come to card now, you can choose card, okay? And I want to know, because somebody was saying that he paid for card. I want to be sure something about this card. Let's go to get started, okay? Now, there's the card. Okay, I think the person was true what he was saying. So you'll be paying about $5 for this card, okay? So let me reduce this so we can see everything. Just resize here. Okay. So when you click on confirm here, you can continue. But here is saying that we are not yet verified for the KYC. That's your, let me show you what KYC means. Let me close down this. That's that ID card stuff. So I'm going to verify the ID card. Okay, once I verify it, I will then finish up this process, right? So let's return to home. So to verify our KYC, okay, that's know your customers, we need to verify our ID first, okay? So we'll be doing that in the next video. But for now, let me show you how I found my G.R.E.Y card, right? So let me get to this place. I logged into my account already, okay? So the notification there is that they wanted me to also provide my tax identification number to continue using the US bank account, because here you can see US, Nigeria, UK, and Euro or something, okay? Now, if you notice here, I have funded my Nigerian account with them, okay? I did a video earlier on how you can do this, right? So once you come to account, under account, you can see Nigeria. If your account is not based in Nigeria, it's in another country, you'll still see it here if it's not US. So when you click on Nigeria, you can now come to add money. You click on add money, then you use this option, okay? So I use this option. When I click here, it showed me an account I could pay into. So that was how I paid to have this money here. Sorry. To have this money here, okay? So what I'll do now is to go to card. I want to convert this money into my G.R.E.Y card. I'll put it into my G.R.E.Y card so I could use it. All right. Anytime you want to use your G.R.E.Y card, come here and unfreeze it. So click here to unfreeze it. When you unfreeze it, you'll see here freeze, asking you to freeze. Okay. At this point, it's freezed. You can't make transaction the way it is now. Okay. So before I make transaction, I will unfreeze. In fact, let me unfreeze it now, because I will soon make transactions. Proceed. Yes, so once I'm done, I'll come and freeze it again, okay? So, but now what we'll do is we go to add money. What it says is about 43 cents. So let's go to add money. So here I'll select, because there's no money in my US account, so I'll select Nigeria. So I have money there, 12,005. Let me put all the money. I just want to send all the money to it. I've sent all the money, okay? So it converted it. Now this is their charge as 125 naira, which is fair, okay? So at the end of the day, it's almost $8 that is giving me. That's about 12,375. So I'll click on continue, and then fund card. So this is the detail, fund card. So this card has been funded. You can't see it yet. Let me refresh it so you see it's still 43 cents. So let me refresh. So can you see $8.22? So it has reflected. Remember, I added $7.99. Okay, so it has reflected here now. So if I return to this account, you will not see any money again in my Nigerian card, my Nigerian account. So this is Nigeria. So the money has disappeared, okay? So this is how to fund your G.R.E.Y card. So what I will do next is to now, having unfreezed it, I will now go to make payment. So here is where you find your card details. I will not click it, but once you click here, you see your card details, the PIN, the that CVV code or number, the 3-digit, right? And the the dates, the expiration date of your card, everything is here. Once you click here, you find it. Okay, that's what you use to now head on to make payment. Okay, so if you want to get your G.R.E.Y virtual card today, click the link in the description of this video so that you start the process as soon as possible. If you have any challenge, notify me in the comments. If you succeed, notify me in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you.